Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now in this video I would like to show you a few questions which come in the entrances of SAT, CET, CAT, JEE, banking, GMAT and even NDA. You might have seen these questions. So we have root 5 plus root 5 plus root 5 and so on up to infinity. So when you look at the question, it may look little difficult, but using a formula, it is going to be really easy. I'm going to show you that formula today. And I would like to tell you that this trick is applicable only for three cases. Only when the given numbers are prime numbers, it doesn't work for composite, and it should end with infinity, infinite series, not for finite series. And there should be a plus or minus or both signs in between the roots. Only if these three conditions satisfy, we can able to apply this trick. Otherwise not. Let me show you the formulas. Two formulas are involved in this case. One is used when all the signs are plus or all of them minuses, like this. Plus, plus, plus and so on infinity, minus, minus, minus. So this is the respective formula when all signs are plus or minus. Square root of 4a plus 1 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. I'll tell you what is this plus or minus. When all the signs are plus in the question, please write only plus 1 here. If all the signs are minus in the question, please write minus 1 here. So that is why I have given plus or minus 1. I hope you understand. A is the given prime number. So this is the formula when all plus all minus signs. Write plus 1 if all of them plus symbols. Write minus 1 if all of them minus symbols. Okay, now second formula, alternate signs, 1 plus and 1 minus. When you look at these two examples, root a plus root a minus root a and so on, alternatively, plus minus alternatively. And here it also starts with minus, root a minus root a plus. So in this case, minus plus and so on up to infinity. So it is a different formula in this case when there are alternate signs. The formula is square root of 4a minus 3. Listen carefully, pay attention. First sign 1. If suppose the first sign is plus in the question, plus 1. Or if the first sign is minus in the question, minus 1. I hope you understand. When there are two alternate signs, square root of 4a minus 3, first sign. If first sign is plus, write plus 1. If the first sign is minus, write minus 1. I hope you understand both the scenario. Let's do few questions so that you will understand it completely. Let's do the first one. Square root of 5 plus 5 plus square root of 5 and so on. What is the symbol or sign here? Plus. So the formula is 4a square root of 4a plus 1 plus 1 because of this plus divided by 2. And a is the given prime number. What is a in this case? 5. Square root of 4 times 5 plus 1 outside divided by 2. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. So square root of 21 plus 1 divided by 2. This is the answer. Is it not so simple? And it is really quick as well. And kindly remember this point, students. Some of the students tend to do this mistake. They will write this plus 1 inside the root, but it is not like that. This plus or minus 1 is outside the first part, outside the root. Please be very careful while writing and remember this point. Let's do question number 2. Square root of 13 plus square root of 13 plus square root of 13 and so on up to infinity. Again the symbol is plus. So the formula is going to be the first formula 4a plus 1 plus 1 outside divided by 2. Now what is A? 13. 4 times 13 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 4 13s are 52. 52 plus 1, 53. Square root of 53 plus 1 divided by 2. This is the answer for the second question. See how quickly we are able to finish it. Let's do the third one. First and second question, all the signs plus. Here, third and fourth, all the signs minus. But still, there is only one change in the formula. 4a, this one is plus 1 only. Only here it is going to be minus 1 outside the root. I hope you understand how to proceed with the signs. What is a? 7. So 4 times 7 plus 1 minus 1 outside divided by 2. Now this gives you 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 1, 29. Square root of 29 minus 1 upon 2. I hope you get the hang of it now, students. Let's do the fourth one, 11 in this case. So what is the formula? 4a plus 1, the same. Only minus is here because of this minus. If it is plus, plus 1. Kindly remember that important point, whole divided by 2. Now what is a? 11 in this question. So 4 times 11 plus 1 minus 1 is outside divided by 2. Now 4 11s are 44. 44 plus 1, 45. Square root of 45 minus 1 divided by 2. So this is the final answer, students. So let me repeat it. Whenever all plus, the formula is 4a plus 1 plus 1. I'll show you. See, plus 1. If all the signs are plus. And if all the signs are minus, minus 1 here. That is the only difference. Now let's do with the alternate signs. Both plus or minus in the same question. So what is the formula I gave you? A little difference in the formula. 4a minus 3, not plus 1. And first sign. What is the first sign? Plus 1 upon 2. So the difference in the formula is when all the signs are same, 4a plus 1. If they have alternate signs or both plus and minus, minus 3. Be very careful. Please remember this point, students. Now 4 times a in this case is 2 minus 3 plus 1 upon 2. Now 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 3, 5. So root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. This is the answer. Is it not really simple and easy? Let's do question number 6. Here again, both plus and minus, but the first sign is minus. Let's write the formula first. 4a minus 3. What is the first sign? Minus. That's why minus comes here. 1 upon 2. And the a value is 17. 4 times 17 minus 3 minus 1 is outside the root. Be very careful while writing the plus and minus. It will be outside the root only. 4 times 17 is 68. 68 minus 3 is 65. So root 65 minus 1 divided by 2. So this is the answer for the last question. So students, this trick or these two formulas are really helpful whenever you go for entrances. So kindly prepare this method, the trick, and memorize the formula. All the very best for all your competitive exams. Do well. Thanks for watching. Kindly share this trick with all your friends. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to get notified whenever there is a new video. Take care. Stay safe.